Children, today we will read next topic, that is Swadeshi and boycott. As we have read it, that Swadeshi means and boycott. So we are reading about that how the Britishers were torturing the Indians. So the Swadeshi means literally oneness of our own nation. Okay, it aimed. So here Swadeshi means one's own country, and boycott means you have to boycott the Britishers product from the Indians. है ना, तो इंडिया से अपन को ब्रिटिशर्स को हटाना था. सो द इंडियंस विल कैप्चर आउट इंडियंस पर्सन विल कैप्चर आउट होल इंडिया, है ना, ब्रिटिशर्स से पूरा टोटली आपको कट ऑफ करना था. सो यू स्टार्ट द बाइकॉट द प्रोडक्ट्स विच वॉज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. So this way British would stop treating India as a dumping ground for British goods. So they are treating Indians as a dumping grounds, है ना, Indians को कुछ भी नहीं समझते थे. So they stopped treating Indians as dump. Nextly it was given. So starting from Bengal, the movement spread across the country. This movement was spread across the country. People boycotted British good and began to use Indian made good, है ना, Indian made good. Indians जो हाथ से बनाते थे उनको यूज़ करना उन्हें start कर दिया. So they start boycotting Britishers goods. At some place, huge bonfires of foreign cloths were organized. So उन्हें Britishers ने क्या किया, अपने क्लॉथ्स को ऑर्गेनाइज किया बहुत बड़े लेवल पे अपने क्लॉथ्स को सेल आउट करने के लिए. बट पीपल हु वर क्लॉथ्स मेड फ्रॉम क्लॉथ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन ब्रिटेन वर क्रिटिसाइज्ड, है ना, जो ब्रिटेन से यूज़ करते थे क्लॉथ्स, दे विल क्रिटिसाइज द इंडियंस प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज दे आर हैंडमेड, दे आर नॉट लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल. सो दे आर क्रिटिसाइज द इंडियंस प्रोडक्ट. बट द Britishers product, you all Indians has decided that you have to boycott Britishers from India. So some washermen even refused to offer their service to such peoples. Students and women play a very important role in this movement. But we are started this movement that we have to not use to the British product. So in this role, women and children or students have played a vital role. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया उन्हें ब्रिटिशर्स को अपने यहाँ से हटाने के लिए. दे पैक्ट शॉप्स सेलिंग फॉरेन गुड. जितने भी शॉप्स में आपके ब्रिटिशर्स के प्रोडक्ट्स सेल आउट होते थे, दे विल रिमूव दैट शॉप्स फ्रॉम द इंडियन मार्केट. सो बाय दिस वे यू आर बाइकॉट एंड स्वदेशी मूवमेंट विल बी स्टार्टेड बाय द मैनी मॉन्टेड्स लीडर्स वर देयर. नेक्स्ट इट वॉज गिवन दैट सूरत स्प्लिट. ठीक है, तो सूरत द स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल हैज़ टेम्परली यूनाइटेड द मॉडरेट्स एंड रेस्कल. जो आपके जो सूरत बंगाल पार्टीशन विल बी देयर, सो द मॉडरेट्स विल बी देयर एंड टेम्परली दे विल यूनाइट टुगेदर, है ना, उन्हें एक साथ हो गए आफ्टर द बंगाल पार्टीशन. However, the difference in objectives and method between two were not easy to reconcile, है ना, लेकिन डिफरेंसेस उन दोनों में बताने के लिए बहुत टफ था. At the Congress session in 1907 at Surat, there was a split between two groups. है ना, the group will be divided into two categories. Two groups में divide हो गए थे. And the moderates began to control Congress, and the Rascals decided to function from outside. And the radicals जो आपके persons थे, जो outsiders थे, उनसे भी वो आपने start कर दिया कंट्रोल, ब्रिटिशर्स के कंट्रोल जो कांग्रेस को बिकॉज कांग्रेस आर सपोर्टिंग इंडियंस को सपोर्ट करते थे. So they will functions from outside also. Two groups were reunited in Congress session in Lucknow in 1960. All the community will came together and reunited in the Congress session in Lucknow so that we can fight against the Britishers. Molly-Montagu reform. I told you about this reform which was the act passed by the Britishers. Means Britishers बहुत गुस्से में आ गए थे इंडियंस की ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ देख के. So to specify the moderate leaders, the government announced one act, that is Indian Council Act, properly known as Molly-Montagu reforms. What was the silent feature of these reforms? One question answer is there also of this topic. First feature of this topic, that more members were to be indicated into the Central Legislative Council and the Provincial Legislative Council. That Britishers has decided that more and more members of the Britishers will be entered in the Central Legislative and also the Provincial Legislative. दोनों अथॉरिटी काउंसिल्स में आपने ब्रिटिशर्स को ही हेड किया. Second feature of this, the system of separate electorates was introduced. One system was introduced by the Britishers. Separate electorates means separate voting. So the Muslims were grouped into the separate constituencies where only the Muslim candidates could contest elections. So Muslims will made their separate committees, Hindus were made their separate committees. This was done in the PCFI leaders of, means this was who has done this. So the PCFI leaders has done this. This was done by the pacified leaders of Muslim like you, and which had been formed by the few years earlier. And the Muslim League will form their separate electorates क्योंकि वो ब्रिटिशर्स क्या चाहते थे कि हिंदू और मुस्लिम साथ यूनाइट नहीं हो पाए. So they will made their separate community. Nextly, revolutionary movements. First phase, last topic of your chapter, that is the early years of 20th century. When was the growth of revolutionary movement was started? In Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra. Young men advocated the use of force to expel the British from India. They started that the Britishers will be expelled from India, है ना, ने totally ban कर दिया और Britishers को भगाने start कर दिया इंडिया से. They formed secret society to train their members in the use of firearms and explosives, है ना. They use the secret members of firearms and explosives, or they will make the secret work, है ना. Indians were having their own armies against the Britishers. So two of the most active revolutionaries which support Indians a lot, who were Abhinav Bharati Society in Maharashtra and Anushilan Samiti in Bengal. They will start two society of revolutionaries, means इसमें Indians को ज़्यादातर रखा गया. क्यों? क्योंकि हम ब्रिटिशर्स के अपोज में फाइट कर सके. सो अभिनव भारती सोसाइटी, भारत सोसाइटी एंड द अनुशीलन समिति इज देयर, मेडेड बाय द इंडियंस पर्सन्स. The revolutionaries took to isolating the British officials. They will also start the British officials look after the Britishers. The Chempekar brothers assassinated two unpopular British officials in Maharashtra. One brothers, मतलब Chempekar brothers ने एक unpopular British officials को create किया कि कहाँ पे? महाराष्ट्र में. So in 1908 in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, means one area is there in Muzaffarpur in Bengal, Khudiram Bose and the Prafulla Chaki threw a bomb at King's Fort. मीन्स इसमें एग्रेसिव में आके ब्रिटिशर्स ने एक किंग्स फोर्ट में बॉम्ब को थ्रो किया एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज, है ना, खुदीराम बोस. नेक्स्टली एन अटेम्प्ट वाज मेड ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ द विक्ट्री लॉर्ड हार्डिनेस, है ना. एक नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट वाज क्रिएटेड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स बाय द लॉर्ड ब्रिटिशर्स. दैट सम रेवोल्यूशनरीज वाज आल्सो एक्टिव अब्रॉड, स्पेशली इन यूरोप एंड अमेरिका. And the Gada party was made by the Indians for this revolutionaries idea. It was also sent revolutionaries to organize uprising Indian, है ना. They will start the uprising Indians persons so that they can achieve their goal. Some revolutionaries leaders who work for outside India, Indians के बाहर से भी वर्क कर रहे थे जो आपके इंडियन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, that is लाला हरदयाल, रस बिहारी बोस, श्यामाजी कृष्ण वर्मा, Madam Bakaji. Means these are the members who support Indians person from the outside. India में आया नहीं, लेकिन from the outside they will work for the Indians only. They support Indians. Sohan Singh is there, Mohammad Bakatullah will be there. So these are the persons who support Indians in their freedom. V.D. Savarkar and the Sindhi, these were the persons who supports India. But soon the British was unmeans and suppressed the revolutionary, and Khudiram Bose will hang, and they will hang the Khudiram Bose because they will be against the Britishers, so they will put him in hanging. Okay, next it was given Arbindo Bose, Bipindra Kumar Bose were put in the jail because they were revolutionaries for the Indians. Some revolutionaries were sentenced to the life imprisonment. में ब्रिटिशर्स यही करते थे कि किसी इंडियंस को जेल में डाल दिया, किसी को फांसी दे दी. So they will give the Indians a very serious punishment. So the Indians will not came up. They were not able to came up. The revolutionary of this period become national heroes. They become some national heroes. By their spirit of self-sacrifice, they inspired many people to join the national movement. They, however, could not involve the masses. It was left to men called Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to mobilize the masses to carry out the national movement to the next phase. This was, we will read in the next lesson, that how your revolutionary will support in the national movement. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, we will read about him, that the national movement next phase, how you can get the independent, कैसे independent हमने लिया against the Britishers. Okay, so by this your chapter gets over.